Hello, it's me again. We haven't been on a virtual walk for a little while. So today we're going to turn around and have a look at how things have changed. That's the burn. Oh, it doesn't look like it's flowing too much. Very, very green. You can hardly see the burn for all the green leaves. Both puppers are rather excited because I think, yes, we're going to go down the steps and we're going to check on the brown bench today. Shall we count the steps? Yes. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, that was a lot of counting. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yay! Yes, there's still 16 steps. I like all the patterns that the light makes on the path as it comes through the trees. That's so lovely. Right, let's turn around and head towards the bench. Come on, puppers. You know where we're going. What a lovely sunny day. I think you can probably hear all the birds. They're all out singing and talking to each other. Just doing our usual path, and we go to find the brown bridge. I'll let you see the burn as we walk along. Oh, hold on. Can you see the trees that were planted a while ago? Do you remember this time last year? They were only little. Look at the size of them now. They look great against the blue sky. Some of our videos have a very grey sky, but today it's very blue. I don't think I see many clouds at all, but we'll have a look when we go to the brown bridge and the brown bench. Oh, I can hear other dogs. There must be other people out with their puppers. Yay! It's Cosmo having a good snifter. See who has walked along here before us. I'm sure lots of his friends have today. We did this path early this morning, but we went up to a ghillie hut at the other part of the river. Oh, I don't know if you can see me. Can you see me? Hello. Right, tell me when you can see the brown bench. It should be somewhere around here, but I don't know if you can see it yet. Yes, we're nearly there. Can you see the brown bridge? Oh, it's getting clearer. Yes, there it is. Cosmo's at it. Scout's going, hurry up. I want to go over the brown bridge. Dogs talk differently to humans, but they let us know what they want. Cosmo, is it okay if we go on the brown bridge? Thank you. Now while we're on the bridge, Oh, we'll have a look at the barn. There's hardly any water on that side. Let's have a look at the other side. There's hardly any water on this side. Can you remember what that means? Yes, it means that the River Tay is likely to be very high and not letting any water in. Let's have a look. We'll go and have a look at the River Tay before we see the brown bench. Oh, look at that sky. Woo! Oh, it's pretty high. But not as high as I thought it would be. Maybe there's just not enough water coming down today. That's so beautiful. What are you talking about, Scout? It's lovely. Scout's having a little run around. I think he's sneaking down for a wee dip. Let's see if we can catch him coming back. Yay! You had a little dip, didn't you? Now we're going to turn around. Can you see it? Yes, that's our brown bench. I know, Cosmo, that is our brown bench. Shall we have a look and see if it's wet? No, that means that we can sit. Going to sit down and we'll have a look at the view, and Cosmo barking at us. Oh, he's telling us there are people coming past. Hello, we're doing a video, so you might not want to be on it. We don't usually have children on the video. Oh, that's a puppy. I'm terribly sorry, we have to have puppies on. Let's have a little puppy on. Hello. That's like a mini dog to my two. Oh, he's so cute.
He won't bite you.
He's lovely. That's okay, as long as we don't see him. That's great. What a gorgeous little puppy. As you remember, we don't show children on here because it's not allowed. So we get the mums and dads where we can to join in. And then that was a lovely puppy. I think he said his name was Marlowe. So cute, very young. So now we're going to do our view up the river, up north, because we know the River Tay at this point runs from north to south. If you remember your compass points. So that's north running down to the south. And the south ends up in, can you remember? I know you can. Yes, well done. It ends up in Perth. There are some lovely little bluebells here. We have a little look from the bench. What is our view from the bench? Bluebells galore and dandelions. There we go. They are so lovely. Cosmo has decided to have a little sit. So he's going to join us in having a little sit. Scout, if we turn round to him, he's having a little snifter in the bluebells behind. It's nice sometimes to sit, and for the rest of this video we're going to have a look while we sit on the bench, and we're going to see what Cosmo can see. And that is everything that Cosmo can see. It's right in front of him, so he can't really see at the moment. He can only see my screen. Oh, he's turning his head to have a look. And he's gone back there. There must be something nice there. And then we're going to say goodbye. Goodbye, Cosmo. Goodbye, Scout. out. We've kind of lost you in the undergrowth there, haven't we? Bye. And it's bye from me. I hope you enjoyed our little walk to check on the brown bridge and the big brown bench that we like. See you next time.